Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss the queue management feature within Sawgrass Print Utility. After clicking the print button, a processing icon will appear on the bottom left corner of Sawgrass Print Utility. This icon will indicate the number of jobs currently being processed by Sawgrass Print Utility. Queue management allows you to continue working within Print Utility while existing files are processed in the background. This means you can continue to make edits to your project or switch to another project altogether. You can also continue to send jobs into the queue, but keep in mind that Print Utility can only process a limited number of jobs. Any additional jobs will be placed in the waiting queue. By clicking the processing icon, you can see what jobs are currently in the queue and check the status of those jobs. Once jobs have processed, they will be removed from the queue. That's all for today's video. See you next time.